Hey guys, so today we're going to be making this laundry basket and we're going to actually import it into a game engine called Unreal Engine 5 where we can use it within our games that we're building. We can also use it to render scenes for a movie. Because we've captured this with an iPhone X, the quality isn't really up to movie standards but would be more than enough for any game that you're running. So, let's have a look at how this works. The first thing we need to do is download an app called Reality Scan from the iOS store. So once you've done that, you will be presented with an interface that looks like what you're seeing on the screen right now. If you don't know about this app, you can look at another video that I've made. I'll just add a link here at the top and we'll tell you how to download it and all that stuff. So now we're going to start capturing our subject. We're going to just move around it from the top, getting closer so that we can get all the fine details. And you'll see that it starts actually creating points of the photos that we've taken so far. Once we're done and we're happy, we send it off to Sketchfab where we'll be able to view it in the browser. We're going to pull it into Blender where we're just going to do a little bit of massaging. We're going to clean up the vertices, reset the origin, make sure that everything is ready for the import into Unreal, export it as an FBX. We're going to select only the visible objects to be exported and object types to be mesh objects. Afterwards, we will import it into Unreal Engine. We will then include the materials, which is by default on in your Unreal Engine project. And after we've done that, you should have a perfectly fine mesh within your environment. Now, the thing is, the way that Blender imports these materials isn't really it doesn't give you a lot of flexibility. So what I've done is I've created a master material. I've added the project files in the description, and you can just assign your textures, so your diffuse and your normal maps, to this master material that I've created for you. And then afterwards you can go and adjust the normal intensity. You can go and change the albedo color, add a little bit of bump, stuff like that if you really want to. Once that's done, you'll be able to render it. My scene that I've created is just a normal little bedroom scene. I have set up a sequence to just go around the laundry basket, and I've added a little bit of a camera shake. If you don't know how to do that, I'll link another video for William Forscher, I think that's how you pronounce his name, who actually takes you into an in-depth tutorial as to how you can add some slight camera shake just to make it a little bit more, I'd say, human. And that's it. After that, I've just simply exported my render into DaVinci Resolve, where I've done some basic color grading, and the end result is what you see here. So, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I've really enjoyed making it. I hope you learned something. I'm going to be making more tutorials that's specifically focused on Unreal Engine, and I'm going to start actually building a game, and I'm going to be sharing my entire process with you guys as I discover stuff that might be useful to you. So if you would be interested in something like that, give this channel a like and subscribe, and thank you very much. Until next time.